everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki, and today I have a very special unboxing to do. I'm so excited. This was almost like the time where I got my AirPods. I actually made a video on that, so if you want to see me get like super crazy weird over AirPods that I just got and so excited, and see how I review those and unbox those, then I'll put the link in the description below. But today I have the iWatch. Wait, did I just say iWatch? The Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch. I finally got one. I never got an Apple Watch before. I was like, but now I have the Series 4 silver aluminum case white sport band in the 44mm. Okay? I researched this for a while before I decided, because I was going to get the cellular version. So I was going to get the one with GPS and cellular, but I decided not to get it because, first of all, one reason why I didn't get the GPS and cellular is because you have to pay $10 a month extra on your bill just to have it, and it costs $100 more. And it didn't make much sense to me to have it, especially on top of that. If it wasn't extra money, or if I didn't have to pay an extra $10 a month, I mean, that might sound cheap to some people, but like, you already pay a good amount for your service without all that stuff, and just buying the phone itself, and then you gotta buy iPods and AirPods, whatever, a lot of stuff. Okay, you know, it's just not worth it for me anyways, because I saw in a video when I was doing some researching, and it said that 90% of the time, like, this person had their phone on them, so it would only mean that 10% of the time they will be not having their phone, so it didn't make sense for them to have it. I mean, unless, like, I saw a comment, it said that this construction worker had the cell phone service because their boss didn't like them to use their phones on the job, so when their significant other calls, they could use their watch really quick just for an emergency to talk to them. So that's a good reason. Or if you're going jogging, if you're a jogger, they were saying, and you jog a lot and you can't take your, you're not going to take your phone with you, and you need cellular service, then that'll be good for you too. And if you just have the money, then why not? But I have other stuff to spend on besides that, and this is my first one, so maybe if I get like maybe in the future when the 5 comes out and I could give this over to my son, I could get the Series 5 and whatever. So anyways, I'm super excited, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I'm going to turn the camera over facing my hands opening the box. You know, I usually do unboxings where you see my face, but I guess I'm gonna do a little bit different now and do up close version, because you know, you probably want to see the watch and what's going on besides my face all the time. So, and this is super serious. Oh yeah, so I got, instead of the 40mm, which is like the smaller size of the face, I got the 44 because my wrist is not that dainty, and for my size I can get away with the 44. I mean, when I was in the store buying it, there was this lady that bought it, and she bought the 40, and she was like more petite. So I mean, it's not necessarily a male and female thing, it's just like, it'll make sense. Like, if you don't want a big giant thing on your wrist, if your wrist is small, it'll look really weird to you, but if it doesn't, then that's fine. I have a good sized wrist and very sturdy and all that stuff, so I got the 44, and I want to see more better. I don't know, I paid, this was on sale, the 40mm was $349 and the 44mm was $379 plus tax, came out to $411 and some change. So $411, so whatever, you know what I'm saying? Gotta splurge sometimes. I deserve this, you know, you gotta say that. So that's why I got the 44mm, and like I said, I don't need the cellular, because even if you don't have like see, I have my phone with me all the time anyways, so like I would have my phone in my backpack, and if a call was coming in, I could still answer the call if my phone was next to me. So that was a big one. So that made me push more to even get the GPS only, because you could still answer calls and everything on your watch if you still have the, you know, if you have the phone near you. So that was why I got it, and that's my reasoning. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing. I'm gonna turn the camera over to face me unboxing it, because this is brand spanking new, and we're gonna do this together. So I'm gonna show you. You can come with me and do it. And let's go. Okay, welcome to my table. This is my table, and this is the iWatch. Apple Watch. I'm sorry. I keep on saying iWatch because of the iPhone. I'm not used to it. So Apple Watch, let's read it together. That's what you gotta say, Nicole. So let's open it. So it seems like there's this little tab over here that I can open it with. And let's read this nonsense over here. Series 4, you see that? Yep. Alright, so let's open it. Open. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh boy. Fresh. Alright, so it's opened. Wrapper's thrown. So it looks like we have to open these. I want to open it nicely because this is an expensive item. Ooh, look at that. It's opening. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Look how pretty. So it comes in 2 sections. It comes with the strap and the face. I don't know what to open first. I guess we'll do the face. So here we go. It's in a microfiber cloth. It says the size on it, 44 mm. It says the size on it. It's a nice microfiber cloth, and I'm going to push it out. And here we go. That's what it looks like. How beautiful is that? Fresh. I was thinking, like, should I get a screen protector? I think I should. I gotta check one of those things out. So the back is like this, sensors and whatnot. And I wanted this color, the gray, the silver, because it matches my phone. Because I got the white and with the silver on the side with my phone. Even though I have a case, it covers it up. I still want this one. So I'm gonna put this back in here temporarily, and we're gonna go ahead and open this. And it seems like there's directions and whatnot in here. And then it comes with the charger and a standard peg thing. And now they put this type of paper. This is like a paper thing, not plastic anymore. I think it's paper. And this is paper as well. This is the wireless charger. You know, the stainless steel one looks really awesome as well. It's just that, you know, my ass is not paying freaking $1,000 or $800, whatever, for it. And in the stainless steel one, I think this is like metal too, but whatever. So now I'm gonna open the band, which is just a flip up thing, and it just slides out. It's cool how they separate it, I think, or I'm just saying that is cool because I'm excited. Alright, so to attach the band, we're gonna slide it and adjust the band, slide and slide. Oh, okay, so they got a small one, an extra one, and a, let's see if I have giant hands and that I need a big one. I hope I could just fit the small one. Because I don't know why I have like weird hands. So I'm gonna slip this in because that's what it says to do. Okay, I heard the click. Did you hear the click? Let's try the other one. Let's hear the click. Okay, it clicked in. Alright, so it's flushed. Got the roundabout thing. It's not red, it's like black. So I don't know which side I'm gonna wear my watch on. I'm probably gonna wear it on the right. On the right. No, you know, I'll just do it over here. Yeah, I'm gonna do it over here. Because I got a cut on my wrist, on my other wrist, and I don't want that nonsense. I'm just gonna put it like this, okay? Let's try it. I'm gonna turn it on. Press and hold. All right. Okay, so now what do I do? Oh, look, it came up automatically. Hold up. What did it say? Apple Watch, continue. Put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder. All right, there we go. I did align it. Is it because it's not on? There we go. Why isn't it going? Okay, I'm gonna have to pair it manually. That sucks. So 040842. I had to do it manually. This sucks because I saw someone do it and it worked. Oh, there we go. Your Apple Watch is paired. Now it says, oh, wow. That's awesome. Okay, it just dinged. It's done. It said it's done. What does it say? Welcome to the Apple Watch app. Hello. Pair new watch. Nicole's Apple Watch. Aluminum case, 44M. Thank you. Face gallery. Oh. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna. This is what's going on now. This is what's happening. This is the screen that. Oh, and I got messages. Okay. That's so cool. That's so cool. So I'm gonna press and hold. I gotta get used to this. What is that? What does that mean? You know that Nightmare Before Christmas or whatever, and he goes like, "What's this?
What's this?"
All right. What? Okay, so I'm gonna press firmly. Customize. I don't know how to use this. What are these? This is like a whole new world. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I think I'm stuck. Ooh. I know you saw Fashion Nova right there, right? Look at that. Fashion Nova. I'll be shopping there sometimes. Okay, let me get out of here. I want to check. I don't want to check. I want to do the, what's this? Oh, here we go. Breathe, kaleidoscope, vapor, Mickey Mouse. Everyone said that rain and fire is pretty cool. Breathe. Fire and water. I want to do this. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Do you see that? Fire and water. Water looks nice. I like fire. Hold up. Wait, customize. I want fire. Liquid metal, that looks cool. I think I just want fire. Motion. Oh, oh, how cute. Pride. Time lapse, Toy Story, utility, vapor. Is that water? No, this is water. Wow, that's awesome. Is that water? I like fire. Look at that. Wow, that's awesome. Yeah, so I like it. I'm gonna play around with this for a little bit more, but it's really cool. I really like it. Oh, this is really nice. I'm trying to see if I could learn how to just put water instead of, fire instead of just water and fire, so I'll figure that out. Alright, so I'm loving it. Ba 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 ba, all that good stuff. I was able to fit the small and just barely. I'm going to be getting a new wrist band. It's going to be the mesh stainless aluminum one or whatever, and it's going to be magnetic, so I'm gonna check that out next time. But I really enjoy this. I don't really know how to use it that much, but I really like it, and I thought this was a good buy, so I highly recommend this Apple Watch. It's really awesome. I'm gonna just play around with it and all that stuff. But so I set it up with you, unboxed it with you guys, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you thought the reasonings on why I bought it was good, or if you have a Apple Watch, or if you don't have Apple Watch, or whatever you have. I don't know, whatever your opinions or comments, concerns are, let me know down in the comments and I will read them and get back to you. So on that note, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.